Sojaman, petty officer class 2, Asante, Ajapon. I was a farmer. Yeah, the farming session here. Soja, they ain't to me, man. My family, they ain't anything common. Welcome back to Farming Across Africa. They say, to whom much is given, much is expected. The other do man, the hope, and yeah, so share the do free. Yes, say, Sojaman, petty officer class 2, Asante, Ajapon. Was I a farmer? Or into cross and animal farming. Yadi kind of poultry farm, millions of CDs poultry farm. Yeah, is to pigs. Until I be some say pigs and also breeds ben any yeah inbreeding. And I say young coffee be free a free cobonian farming for me team wa ha na say pigs no. Edim red do say na ba ediano ben near dema wom. Yen use local food and I say concentrated feed near farmer. A dream predator say na pigs no aba kwan mu na eto pigs no we ni nsem kan bi a ye ba be di ehon komo petty officer ye mo aha na petty we ye no on the same piece of land pigs no omubuo no etesen ye nkobo ne dan kese ana say ye nye ne sen
oh yeah no dan kese depending the number of pigs are opese we
okay
oh yeah no kitwe bi na of pigs do so na so we very congested
okay
at least also we need enough space
okay
because pigs need do baby we really no also separate the man piglet from the mother
okay
na mother need a peace of mind
okay
and you know also we need enough space
okay
as I'm talking to you now I'm having almost like 40 kgs for the pigs alone.
Okay.
You can check from the numbers.
Okay.
So I've numbered it.
Okay. Okay. So 40 kgs. And a for pigs no. Yeah, kofa pigs na ba at what point na best say yen kofa onmra. Ye man nko enyini enwu ba bia ansa na akofo mo ba na say yen ne say.
Oh, sometimes ejuma bi o ha. Me I only advise we poultry pet. And I may form from day old. Say me raising it to me liking.
Okay.
But in terms of this piggy, so unya point of giving birth na ye about someone one check.
Okay.
Na omo be woman why enjoy ejuma no. And ko basa na so fan from ne nkitwa mu winning stage na obecha nsa omaye we no esara so abam yabu. So we say a fa omo weigh 39 omo weigh 88 kg 89 kg no oba hit kura.
Okay.
Je no sa oba cross na we expect say obenyem na awu na mama edwuma na yewde.
Okay, nti enkwahye ba bi nkɔfa nkitwa bi amebu ha na okowu okwan mu a waboka. Okay, so selection breed type of breed ben yenko ba bi papa na piggery farm na yenko sesa wo nyina mebu ha na say selection of piggery to form or farms no we na same criteria.
Say piggery no because of inbreeding we into. Yeah, na advisable say obeto bi obi farm. Beto bi farm we, want to be a farm we, want to be a farm we.
Okay.
I didn't na be boom. Say be ya enkoye inbreeding.
Okay.
Enti so nya hanya hanoa. Na say breeding na fem kwa dia, you are good to go.
Inbreeding no me na bi wo ba bi on ti ase a ase ne sen obetumi a che.
Inbreeding ni say amemiti e ma me owo me. Ade be china me se ma me bra ye na.
Okay.
Unu aba, so unu aba beda.
Okay.
Ha no ni inbreeding.
Inbreeding. Okay.
It's basa na ma no nya hode umtimi wu.
Okay. Yeah, the moa na ba. Omba be do first ebu ni mu. Yenya won dey.
Preko ni na susu no, be disinfect bu no.
Okay.
One prepare bu no in respect receiving them. Okay. They are different from say nkoko say nkoko be soja na yin. But preko di oba, yan say ne ho no we've studied the place neat and nice. They are good to go.
Okay. Nti ya ebu ni kama they are good to go. Yenko twetwe pipe ni tutu small swimming pool ade ni se ne be ya wi on be down anase yenya ne se.
Yes, it's advisable and it's necessary to was omo pensuo. We na yenya wi enyi nti no. We aba it means should go for them to be comfortable.
Okay. Nti yenya awi abo ya sensu agu nwa ne so omketua na omo aba. Omba aduane ben because itamani susu na growing up the who say one man on we preko no adechi a okocho ba ho no akofa okoba nche ho no akofa okoha no akofa ene die wo de no feeding ratio no we call by the olden days maybe and I say we have a modern way of doing your things.
Now me, I do it in a modern way. They prepare feed,
Okay.
I'm their mom. Mom, you come out.
Okay.
I'm very reward you. I'm mobile.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
It's open cheaply, but that's open cheaply. Yeah. Almost very reward you cheaply.
Okay.
Sometimes you got your back on them. Because you won't pay onion baby.
Okay.
And you say, oh, got your back. Because it's almost left over now. But eating the onion. Now,
suppressing
yes, but
growth
you wouldn't know.
Okay.
And you have to buy food, buy proper feed, mix with to them.
Okay.
Give it to them.
Nti feed in your quota, the edema pottery, if you are the edema one, I say on the any different.
Betting a day. And you almost bet. There was stage be feed I prepared the mom.
Okay.
Now they are grower.
Okay.
And where you grow up feed a mom.
Okay.
Cross no that's when you more a we so gestation dear.
Okay.
Eddie Amano.
Okay.
Or one so Messiah a so lactation so.
Okay.
Eddie Amano.
Okay. Nti why esawe from there oko form by on one you know. Odi on bedru bu ni mu ana, odi on gu mu ana say o de obubo won pane ansa na transition of feeding because omo free baby na aba. Nti feeding transition no so o ye ne say.
Me tie from nipa na mkoto no ho no. Say no any feed. So me buy no ama me the formula na me to aso.
Okay. Na say feeding e de omo aba adapted to the owo ha no that because of the owo no na wa kire.
Send the link na ma.
Okay.
Who follow
chat no. Okay. Ena eba ayi no so a infection ne sa ayi na wo de won ba ha. Ubo won pane wo quarantine won ansa na wo de won aba me ebuo ni mu ana se wo ba na wo de won abetu no acha se fi ebo won pane.
Okay. Me ka disinfecting until me won buy na na bro betum.
Okay.
Na me start say me mo aduane.
Okay.
Aduane so a me mo so me dey draw fry it.
Okay.
At least omu didi a say eye omu body no mo adwuma.
Okay. Say nroben na ya de mo.
Say imi pakra say we are here so painkiller antibiotics the way man the way man don't even fry we no. When me buy no become omu the way man na me do omu to antibiotics.
Okay. Okay. So the omu major type of disease bempana attack one e betimi ahye won ase.
Yeah, sometimes a member no mtimi ya henia.
Okay.
Say henia na be hye ne we ho kese na e disturb you. Apart from that I say be ade obema bi ko ba ho no mako na onya injury. Apart from that we okay.
Nti se onya henia na e kwan ben so na ofa so e fight no.
Etimi ya ni surgery. Ne dey yi
henia. Veterinary for ba be yam. Okay. So obedru have first day ono waba heat no kopim breben na obesha ase so obewo.
So say oba heat no dia o de be man na by 4 days o yi na firo. Now we expect from 1 month no we who symptoms ne say we take seed.
Okay. Nti symptoms ben na aboa no be show me who say aboa we waba heat. Obe show symptoms.
Say oba heat sometimes you go say obey cool because why isolating ho.
Okay.
I don't know symptoms back no. Maybe also about say the valve no.
Okay.
Obey swollen.
Okay.
Na ye kese.
Okay.
Also about heat.
Okay. Nti oba ye no manhu me ye first time manhu. Eko ebe den na esa ebreben na me say expect say e be san ba bi.
By 2 weeks time so e be san ba.
Na 2 weeks mo say hu na eko e.
Nti na medical catch say bibia no you have to consult. Because if you don't know, you don't know.
Okay.
So if you consult, you know.
Okay, so you find the first one, who second one, who me who you know. A hona me we action me nye day.
So be man of be man.
Who say na I was a man be man. Into omu ina gubu ni be man wo de no be kwa kan ebu me man bu ni mu ana se wo be isolating on me wo be
chi oba no. Se the odika kan se omu gubu bebre a. Do aba heat period no. Na be isolating na koma be man. Oni be man na wo mfo be 3 days. The reason being na 3 days or 4 days ni say ebi a wontimi nyina ho say o cross no. You know say 4 days I assume say along the line
across it. Okay.
so also cross no consistency there 2 days kwa betima yi no
maybe also nya time to there yeah they are towards 4 days about there at least it is assume say bibi sa akoso wa akoso awie wa yi na ba nti okoso ya omienu be sa da ho na say we be separate on back to
we separate be man say be obe prepare for another.
Okay. Preparation for another meeting no o man aduane sononko bi ana say normal aduane ya na de man
normal body and no would no was the man
na was am prepare nti oba no so oba sa atibia ni ma o de no be kan we no ho na so obe isolate no
oba no so nya cross ni wi a obetimi na ko back to omo ho no
okay
yes wanyem wie na so wanyem a no separate no
okay okay so o separate ni wi a feeding ratio no a day the onyem no ne the onyem no wono wo mu same feeding ratio and say we dey no wanim 10 we no
we use formula for bet the feeding ni dey onyem abetimi man be 5 kilos a day
5 kilos na interval na dey
oh say can say anopani enwre we feed you say normal feeding
okay so your man on feed we from there I be meeting no kopem brebe ye be say aboa we wow and I say also
from there now be meeting over crossing no that's the bobo date no
okay
from for say 3 weeks to a month no we so no onyem a we who say na say ne pon ebe pija afi also oye restless
okay
I want say wanyem
okay nti e ba sa wo hu say wanyem no still obe kan won and so obe separate on ko okay
waiting for
delivery okay have there been a time oba ye no wanya miscarriage ama wantimi and deliver wa hu bi da
oh it's me
nti e ba mo ye de
oh do ha it's me premature we na oyi ne ma no afini
and wo na obe ya na say veterinary nti between time wo hu sa na veterinary ne ma in between no ncheche be na ode ni komu ansana nipa na ba
oh remember we can but try your best
okay
because you are even give you the plan sometimes you have to help it
okay
so you are abwana bana you know what one of my delivery
okay so what na say wunyina ho a has there been a case wa woma aboa na nkasa awe ne ma ne da
oh it's me bra can say be a starving
okay
come din we will get my sir
okay
and I say we also so wo na so you timi da ne ma so depending na bia na de mo
okay
ntina wanyem a obe ma na biane a protein less
okay
won gain fat be brema ne ho nkyere
okay so ebi abama wawura buonim ama ebi a fight on that
fix the more friendly there's that oh chinwa obey the dini ade bet say the yankopon de tumi na hye ni pansa no say tie bia no osru
okay so highest figure wow pa one was saying
oh which me will be 15 14 13
per delivery 15
fix it now
into 15 no surviving rate in it
oh it depends on you the farmer no so when you at least it me selling in it without any mortality
sir
and it me see
and the lowest delivery I want saka is
bit me be 4 3
is there any cost I'm assessing
oh depends on the feeding how you feed them no what feed you here they will reward you handsomely there's one feed you here once baby be
okay so a breben na we am show pa say oh yeah pig
last time by the bema ba ko mo ba no by na bema ni da wan timi sori e ja no kura no da ha timi oba no pim no ma affect no but da ho na me ma be born no antibiotics vitamin chef wa ko bai nti no sabre no se o di ne committee na se oba ne ba hit period a santo quality misi
okay and now re hoye na brebe na also when it j pa say oh adwuma
say dey make an as when ya mpanyifo na o manyini no a no omo ba won se ma nche omo
okay
feed you so you are making progress
okay pig any poultry farm then I'm fast
oh pig is very profitable
than poultry farm
and that one is true
but Almost say ne ton head.
It depends if you get a correct link. Because now these Chinese people, when you know, so when your link, you are, please, it's come.
10 pot. But afei na dabe na be 1 year ansa na waton back na we pottery for 6 months.
1 year. Pick who we need 3-4 months I can sell them.
Okay.
I'm going to feed you here.
Okay. So wow, ya winning. You winning na ono so you expecting ni growth. Mating period you expecting that.
Pick they said say na for meat no. Say member no class some those you can even castrate them for more meat you know.
Okay.
And you know say pick say one no now winning no from a month you know from there 4-5 months you can sell them. So I've been between almost be 70 to maybe 65 to 70 kilos.
Okay. Nti ye ton a criteria be na e be gina so ye hu say we 1 cedi na 2 cedi.
And the weight will determine the price. Weigh no.
Okay. So what we no manya 70 kilos determinant base be na me gina so say 70 kilos may arrive at 1 cedi na 2 cedi.
Then now you know say 1 kilo be 40 cedis or 35 cedis. So you just multiply by the what the scale is telling you.
Any factors be our be gina so say okay me factors of production me say and I say one more better na better me own.
So breed, you know, I any pan friend or babeto. You know, buy no abwan any fit. Maybe send to what we know. This is the what the scale is telling us. Me 1 pound. Maybe 40 series, 30 series, 20 series. You just multiply it by the weight of the animal. If you don't sell them, see what we see and what. It's a whole farm and worker. Sometimes you can think say we are boy you could be over 70, but when the basis can small and be 80 something.
Okay. Okay.
Unless maybe a person or the cherry panel.
Okay.
So maybe a boy maybe a fat 1,500 and I say for 2,000.
Okay. So a breviation ma so German pigs no e buy obi aso want to.
Oh Debbie, fix it there. That's what beton quadia. And I just started it, you know. In shed that anyway, but almost topics in and almost shed in your side difficulties and say almost topics in the end.
But other parts of people are also complaining.
Say
and to
oh more
if you see yeah.
So much. Now got to a crab by a year.
Yeah.
It will be 50 cities near there. Depending maybe any kind of one. Support to see. Doma maybe I may because I be a 48 and 15. Domano on the veggie 30. It depends
Location. Okay. Inti what is the biggest challenge one encounter or pig farming?
For now, share the challenge unless maybe on my way going on.
Okay. Yeah, beginner's advice. And then I'll be my beginner.
Okay. I showed interest and I'm doing it. Okay. So as a beginner, so you have to try as much as possible just to be serious. And
the rest will be history. Yes, okay. Now, we seek advice from veterinary doctors and I say we are now say why now do we keep them from here or normal?
Oh, me seek it from Niparamito. So no why I check.
Okay.
Didn't tell me I just going back. No, so such a you see, Timmy baby, Miss problem that I'm not going to call him. I will just remedy it myself.
Okay. Yes, yeah, that was a similar video to this very end. Yeah, catch them say, yeah, they do man on the ho, and yeah, share the do free. So, your mind don't do on the ho. Now we producing a back. We are privileged to have 30 officer class 2 Asante at Japan. I was a farmer. Yeah, my farming session here. So, they ain't to me, man. My family, yeah, and they didn't come. It's here, that was someone hey video up to this very end. Yeah, be more modern as them some be like, na mo share, na mo subscribe. Farming across Africa. Yeah, will be one farm, one story. And that's the same, you be sense here. Until then, bye for now.